Hello friends, I'm Pooja and welcome to Booksmart. Today we are going to make a very simple and healthy recipe with lots of dry fruit and desi ghee, that is dry fruit laddu. So let's get started with the recipe. To make laddus, take 2 cups of dates. Here I have removed seeds from these dates. Nowadays, you easily get seedless dates in market. Transfer this into a blending jar, but before that, we will clean the jar. For that, add a drop of Vim gel and 1/4 cup of water. Now blend it once. This will help to remove if any particle left over in the jar. I hope you will like this tip. Now add seedless dates and blend it for 2 to 3 minutes. If you find it difficult to blend, then add 2 tablespoons of water. In this way, we have to blend it into a coarse mixture. Now let's dry roast 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds on a low flame for a minute. Roast until its rawness goes away and turns light brown in color. Do not roast poppy seeds more than a minute. It might over roast and change its taste. Poppy seeds are well roasted. Now transfer it into a bowl. Next, add clarified butter or ghee. Link to make homemade ghee is given in the description box below. Please do check it. Now to this, add a cup of roughly chopped nuts. Roast this on a low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Here you can add nuts of your choice. I have taken chopped almonds, cashew nuts and pistachios. Cashews and pistachios will help to control cholesterol and high blood pressure. Almonds will improve hemoglobin in the blood. Besides this, you can add grated coconut and walnut. Roasting will help in giving nice nutty texture and crunchy bite to nuts. 3 minutes later, you can see the texture of nuts. It's done enough. Now add a tablespoon of ghee and crushed dates. Keep cooking it on a low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Dates have low glycemic index and safe for people with diabetes. 3 minutes later, add dry roast poppy seeds and chopped nuts into it. Mix it for a minute. Do not overcook the mixture. It might change its color and turn hard enough. Here nuts are completely combined with dates. Now turn off the flame and transfer it into a plate. For that, grease plate with ghee. Now transfer hot mixture into the plate. Spread mixture to let it cool down. When mixture is slightly warm, make laddus out of it. Do not cool it completely, otherwise it will be difficult to work with and will become firm after cooling. See, this is how laddu turns out. Let's see it again. This ways, we are going to make remaining laddus. I have made 9 laddus. You can also make 12 to 14 small size laddus out of it. Our quick, healthy and super tasty laddus are ready. Try making them at home. You can consume them in fasting days. I hope you like my today's recipe. If you are new to channel, subscribe it for more such recipes. Till then, make dry fruit laddu and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below.